Have you ever looked in the mirror and wished your eyes felt as sharp as they used to? That the world didn't seem quite so hazy? Or that reading didn't feel like such a strain? If so, you're not alone, and this message is for you. Forget what you think you know about aging eyes. Today, we're not talking about expensive solutions or complicated procedures. We're uncovering a remarkable secret hidden in plain sight. 3 tiny seeds that could quietly transform your vision and restore the clarity you deserve. Stay with me, because a brighter, more independent future for your eyes begins right now. You might be thinking, my eyes are just getting older. There's nothing I can do. And while it's true that our eyes undergo changes with age, that doesn't mean we're helpless. In fact, your body is incredibly resilient, and it's constantly sending signals about what it needs to thrive. We just need to learn how to listen. Today, we're going to uncover 3 unassuming, yet incredibly powerful seeds that can be quiet allies in safeguarding your vision. They are simple, natural ingredients that can help nourish, protect, and revitalize your eyes from within. If you've been noticing small changes, perhaps your reading glasses don't quite cut it anymore, or the world feels a little less vibrant, know that you are not alone, and there is hope. We'll explore exactly what these seeds do, why they work, and how you can easily incorporate them into your daily life. A clearer, more comfortable vision might be closer than you think. Let's begin with our first tiny hero, chia seeds. You've likely seen them in health food stores, or perhaps sprinkled on a trendy smoothie. But don't let their humble appearance fool you. For your eyes, especially your retina, that delicate, light-sensitive layer at the back of your eye, chia seeds are a true powerhouse. Think of your retina as the film in a camera. It's crucial for capturing images and sending them to your brain. But as we age, it becomes more susceptible to damage from inflammation, poor circulation, and daily wear and tear. This can lead to that frustrating dryness, blurriness, or the feeling that your vision just isn't as sharp. Here's why chia seeds are so remarkable for mature eyes. Chia seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. These essential fats are critical for reducing inflammation throughout your body, including the delicate tissues of your retina. Reduced inflammation means better protection against age-related conditions like macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss after 50. What's more, omega-3 support healthy blood flow to your eyes, ensuring your retina receives the oxygen and nutrients it craves. If you avoid fish or find fish oil supplements unsettling, chia seeds offer a gentle, natural alternative that's easily digestible. Beyond omega-3s, chia seeds are packed with antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, the very compounds often found in high-end eye supplements. These antioxidants act like tiny bodyguards, protecting your eyes from oxidative stress, which is damage caused by environmental factors like sunlight, screen time, and even simply aging. They help shield your retinal cells from everyday stress, maintaining their health and function. Many of us experience dry, gritty, or tired eyes as we get older. Here's a lesser-known benefit. When soaked in water, chia seeds form a natural gel. This gel isn't just for texture. It aids hydration and can even support your natural tear film. Imagine your eyes feeling more comfortable, less irritated, and better lubricated throughout the day. Some of our own viewers have shared how simply adding chia to their breakfast has significantly improved their afternoon eye fatigue. How to use chia seeds. They're incredibly versatile. Stir a spoonful into your morning oatmeal or yogurt. Blend them into a fruit smoothie, or even soak them in water overnight to create a hydrating chia tonic to sip throughout the day. They have a mild, almost neutral taste, making them easy to incorporate. A gentle reminder. Start small. Chia seeds are high in fiber and absorb a lot of water. Always consume them with plenty of fluids, and never eat them dry. Begin with a teaspoon daily and gradually increase to a tablespoon if your system responds well. If you're on blood thinners or blood pressure medication, a quick chat with your doctor is always a good idea, as chia can mildly affect clotting for some individuals. Next, let's turn our attention to another unsung hero: flax seeds. If chia seeds are your retina's best friend, then flax seeds are the steadfast guardian of your macula, the small central part of your retina responsible for sharp, detailed vision. This is where you see the faces of loved ones, read a book, or differentiate colors. The macula is incredibly vulnerable after 50, and its health directly impacts your ability to perform daily tasks like reading menus, driving, or enjoying a clear view of the world. Protecting it is paramount, and flax seeds offer a powerful, affordable solution. Like chia, flax seeds are a fantastic source of plant-based omega-3s, ALA, offering even more anti-inflammatory support per gram. This is vital because chronic inflammation is a silent driver behind macular degeneration. The ALA in flax helps nourish the delicate photoreceptor cells in your macula, helping to maintain their function and prevent vision from becoming dull or fuzzy. But flax seeds offer something unique: lignans. You might not have heard of them, but lignans are powerful antioxidants found in very few foods. They play a remarkable role in neutralizing harmful free radicals in your eye tissues. This means less oxidative damage, improved circulation, and stronger blood vessels, crucial benefits, especially if your eyes feel tired, sensitive to bright lights, or prone to strain. Here's a fascinating insight: the health of your gut actually influences the health of your eyes. It's known as the gut-eye connection. When your gut is inflamed, your entire body, including your retina, can suffer. Flax seeds are rich in soluble fiber, which acts as fuel for your beneficial gut bacteria. A balanced gut can lead to reduced inflammation throughout your system, including your eyes. We've seen patients experience less eye irritation and improved light sensitivity after incorporating flax into their diet alongside better digestion. Crucial usage. Tip: for your body to absorb all these incredible nutrients, flax seeds must be ground. Whole flax seeds often pass through your digestive system undigested, meaning you miss out on their benefits. You can easily grind them in a coffee grinder or purchase them pre-ground. Always store ground flax seeds in the fridge to keep their delicate oils fresh. How to use flax seeds. They blend seamlessly into daily life. Sprinkle them over your cereal. Stir them into yogurt or cottage cheese. Mix them into pancake batter, or add them to soups and salads. You'll barely notice them, but your eyes will certainly thank you. A note of caution: as with any high-fiber food, start slowly. A teaspoon a day is an excellent beginning. Gradually increase to a tablespoon if your stomach handles it well. If you're on hormone-sensitive medications or blood thinners, consult your doctor first, as flax can interact with these in meaningful ways. Finally, let's explore our third unassuming seed: sunflower seeds. Often seen as just a casual snack, these seeds are, in fact, incredibly underrated protectors of aging eyes. They are particularly beneficial if you struggle with dry, tired eyes, or that foggy vision you sometimes experience by the end of the day. The magic within sunflower seeds primarily lies in their exceptional levels of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant. Think of oxidative stress in your eyes like rust forming on metal. Over time, it can erode delicate eye tissues, especially with prolonged exposure to screens, bright lights, or outdoor elements. Vitamin E helps to slow down this damage, supports your central vision, and may even contribute to reducing the progression of age-related macular degeneration. The beauty? You're getting this vital nutrient from a wholesome, real food source, not just a supplement bottle. Beyond vitamin E, sunflower seeds provide healthy fats that are crucial for maintaining eye lubrication and comfort. Many mature adults describe a gritty, burning sensation in their eyes, which isn't just simple dryness, but often a breakdown in the tear film. The combination of vitamin E, monounsaturated fats, and a touch of zinc in sunflower seeds helps support natural tear production, keeping your eyes hydrated and protected, even in dry environments or during extended screen time. And let's not forget circulation. Your retina relies on a network of tiny blood vessels to deliver oxygen and essential nutrients. Sunflower seeds offer key minerals like selenium and magnesium, which help keep these vessels relaxed and open, ensuring your eyes receive the nourishment they need to function optimally. Want to know how to use sunflower seeds? They are incredibly easy to incorporate. Enjoy a tablespoon of unsalted, shelled sunflower seeds as an afternoon snack. Sprinkle them over salads. Add them to your morning yogurt or oatmeal with some berries, or blend them into smoothies. Tips for enjoyment. Choose unsalted, shelled seeds if you're watching your blood pressure. If you have dental sensitivities, consider ground seeds, or blend them into baked goods. As with other seeds, start slowly if you have digestive sensitivities. Overall, sunflower seeds are one of the most effortless ways to give your eyes a daily dose of protection without overhauling your lifestyle. So, we've explored the quiet power of chia, flax, and sunflower seeds, each offering unique, yet equally powerful benefits for your aging eyes. But here's the most important truth I want you to take away. You don't need to eat all three every single day or follow a complicated diet. The real secret lies in consistency and making small, sustainable changes. After 40, and especially after 50, your vision isn't just changing, it's quietly asking for support. That extra strain when you read, the dryness after lunch, the glare at dusk, these are not just annoyances. They are signals. And while it can feel frustrating, or even a little scary to think about vision loss, I'm here to remind you that you are not powerless. Sometimes, the most profound answers are found in the simplest things. A spoonful of seeds stirred into your morning routine, a handful added to your afternoon snack. These small, consistent habits can do more for your vision than you might ever imagine. We've seen countless individuals regain a sense of clarity, comfort, and hope they thought was lost, not through extreme measures, but through thoughtful, consistent care. Your eyes are still with you, still working tirelessly every day, and they respond to care, not perfect care, but consistent, thoughtful support. So my invitation to you is this: look at what you're already eating. Find just one place to gently add chia, flax, or sunflower seeds to your week. Make it your own, because over time, that one quiet habit could become a cornerstone of your sustained vision health. If you've stayed with me this far, thank you. It tells me you deeply care about your health, your independence, and the joy of seeing the world clearly, not just for yourself, but for your loved ones. When our eyesight begins to fade, it impacts everything: our connections, our confidence, our ability to enjoy life's simple pleasures. But please remember this message: you are not powerless. With just a few small, consistent choices, like adding these powerful seeds to your weekly routine, you can begin to nourish your retina, soothe inflammation, support tear production, and send your body the message that it is still worth caring for. I'm not here to promise miracles, but I've witnessed the quiet transformations that steady habits can bring. I've seen eyes become more comfortable, vision stay sharper longer, and people feel a renewed sense of control over their well-being. It's never too late to start supporting your vision. Never too late to feel hopeful again. If this video has offered you a new idea, a sense of direction, or even just a little encouragement, I'd be honored if you'd support this channel. Please subscribe so you don't miss future insights into natural health. Give this video a like if it resonated with you, and consider sharing it with a friend or loved one who might benefit from this information. And if you're already using chia, flax, or sunflower seeds, or plan to start, I'd love to hear your experience. Please leave a comment below and tell me how it's going. Your story might just inspire someone else to begin their journey towards clearer vision. Thank you for being present. Take care of your eyes and take care of yourself.